Hey guys, let's make coconut banana cake. It's the best of both worlds, crunchy, soft, and sweet. And the best part is, it's so easy and straightforward. Let's make it together. First, I'm sieving my plain flour into a bowl. This removes any lump and it also inculcates air into the flour. Next, I am adding in desiccated coconut. Add in your baking powder and mix together, then set aside. Here, I am mashing bananas. It's actually better to use soft bananas instead of the hard ones. It's sweeter, it's also easier to mash. I then transferred it into the bowl that I'll be mixing my cake in. Here's my melted butter. I am adding it into the banana, then using my whisk to combine both of them together. Once this was done, I added in sugar and continued whisking to combine them together. Once it was combined, I went in with vanilla extract. I do like this flavor. You really can use any flavor, coconut extract or any other type of flavor that you prefer. I continued to mix this and went in with my evaporated milk. You can either use evaporated milk or full cream milk. It's actually richer to use evaporated milk. Whisk, 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 keep whisking it. Then once all of those are combined, I went in with my eggs. I did whisk the eggs first before pouring it into the batter. Whisk this together, then go in with your dry ingredients. Whisk it together until it combines. You don't need to whisk it more than that. Once this is done, transfer into your baking pan. I'm using a baking paper to line my tin. It's totally optional to add this topping to your cake. It just makes it nicer. To some desiccated coconut, I added sugar and added some oil. You can either use oil or melted butter. Then I mixed it together. Once this was well combined, I poured it on top of my cake and scattered it out so that it's evenly placed. Then I baked this. In order to know that your cake is done, just put in a wooden skewer or any skewer you have. If it comes out clean, your cake is done. The top of the coconut cake began to brown faster than it was getting done. So what I did was to cover the top of the coconut cake with foil. This actually reduces how fast it browns in case you have this problem as well. There you have it, coconut banana cake. Let me know if you try this at home, and if you do, as usual, please let me know how it turned out. Enjoy yourself.